Have you ever had something really valuable but lost it because you wanted more? Be careful, because sometimes chasing more can cost you everything. This story will change the way you look at success and life. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Ethan. He had inherited a small farm from his father. It barely gave enough food to feed the family. All his life, Ethan kept hearing the same thing. You need to be someone in life. You have to make more money. Don't end up poor like your father. Those words stayed in his head. One morning, Ethan went into the chicken coop to collect eggs, and then he froze. Among the normal eggs, he saw one that looked strange. He picked it up. It was heavy, shiny, golden. A golden egg. At first, he thought it was some kind of joke, but the next day, another one appeared, and the day after that, another. Ethan couldn't believe it. His tiny little farm, the one that barely kept them alive, was suddenly producing gold. And the crazy part, it always came from the same hen. Just an ordinary clumsy hen. Nothing special to look at, but every single day, she gave Ethan one golden egg. Ethan got rich, fast. He fixed up his broken house. He hired workers. He bought nice clothes. Important people started visiting him. Life was finally changing. But then, greed knocked on his door. One night, Ethan lay awake, staring at the ceiling, and a thought hit him. If this hen gives me one golden egg every day, she must have so many more inside her. Why am I waiting? I could have it all, right now. That thought started to haunt him. He couldn't sleep. He couldn't stop imagining piles of gold inside the hen. One morning he couldn't take it anymore. Ethan picked up a tool. He walked into the hen house. His hands were shaking, but his mind was made up. He ended it. He checked inside and found nothing. No treasure, no golden eggs, just an ordinary hen. Ethan froze. His heart sank. In that moment he realized what he had done. He had destroyed the one thing that was giving him everything he wanted. And now, it was gone. Now listen carefully. Maybe you don't have a hen that lays golden eggs, but you do have something valuable in your life. Maybe it's your talent. Maybe it's your dream. Maybe it's your relationships. And sometimes, we want more. We want it faster. But here's the truth. Greed doesn't scream. It whispers. It convinces you to destroy what you already have, chasing something that doesn't even exist. Before you throw away what's in your hands, stop, look around. Maybe what you already have is gold. Take care of it, because once it's gone, there's no going back.